Prologis is the world's largest logistics leader, and we don't just offer warehouse space. We are the #1 private solar provider portfolio in the US. My team owns and manages our BI analytics platforms, including Sigma, to ensure that we're providing all of our business users with actionable and process-driven insights. When we first purchased Sigma, it was to fill a need that our legacy tools didn't provide. We have business users who have tens of millions of records of data that within our existing enterprise platforms just wasn't performant. We had a hard time getting analytics and the ability to aggregate, to drill, to do very simple analytical functions within a tool that we had here already. What brought us to Sigma is that ability to really drive self-service analytics. We're able to stream our data from our ERP systems, our CRM systems, our leasing systems, every other system that we have here at Prologis into Sigma, into Snowflake, and allow our users to go in there, bring that data together, and create their own insights. They're not stuck in a backlog queue. They're able to take tasks that they were doing within the source systems directly that were taking them hours to generate was now returning in seconds. For example, our accounting team obviously does a monthly reconciliation for month-end close. Running some of that reports and some of that data within our source ERP system can take a couple of hours. And so they were able to do the same information in Sigma directly. So with us streaming that data in, they're able to resolve any type of reconciliation issues right then and there, run it again, see that the problem is solved, all within minutes versus the hours resolution. AI is in full effect here at Prologis, and we use Sigma and its AI features a few different ways. Our business users who aren't necessarily technically savvy can use the AI features to get insights about a data set, information about a workbook and a dashboard. They can find those different nuggets of analytics insight by asking AI within Sigma. The advances that are coming along with apps and input tables, with agents, with workflows, with actions, all of those different things. The future of Sigma is definitely bright here at Prologis.